Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to cancel a Remitly wire transfer, whether you've made an error or simply changed your mind. Here's how you can stop the transfer. So now let's get started. First, open the Remitly app on your device or visit the Remitly website and log into your account using your credentials. Now, once logged in, go to the transaction history or activity section. Here, you will see a list of all your recent transfers. Locate the wire transfer you wish to cancel and click on it to view the details. If the transfer is still in progress, you will see an option to cancel it. Click the cancel button and follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Remitly will notify you of the cancellation status and any funds will be returned to your account shortly. If the option to cancel is not available or if you encounter any issues, contact Remitly's customer support immediately or assistance. And that's how you cancel a Remitly wire transfer. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.